Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat bertemu lagi dengan channel TBR Studio bosku. Pada hari ini Sabtu tanggal 26 Februari tahun 2022 kita berada di Terminal Barat Solok, memantau keberangkatan bus Sumbar menuju perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya. Pengguna keseruan video kita kali ini ikuti terus sampai selesai bosku. ANS Mikaela menuju Jakarta dan sekitarnya. ANS dengan julukan Arjuna menuju Jakarta Bandung. Dan ini adalah aksi dari para YouTuber dan bismania di Terminal Barat Solok bosku, menantikan kedatangan bus Palala E04 dengan julukan Senopati. Masing-masing bismania ini ambil posisi bosku. Sebentar lagi Palala Senopati akan memasuki Terminal Barat Solok bosku, untuk persiapan keberangkatan menuju Jakarta dan sekitarnya. Nah, ini dia bosku, Palala Senopati masuk Terminal Barat Solok. Dan bersama dengan masuknya Palala, NPM Firkansa 31 dengan julukan Fantastik meninggalkan Terminal Barat Solok menuju Jakarta. Ini dia bosku, Palala E04 dengan julukan Senopati kembali full penumpang. Setelah kemarin full penumpang dari Jakarta menuju Payakumbuh, sekarang Palala Senopati dari Payakumbuh menuju Jakarta dan sekitarnya juga full penumpang bosku. Palala sebagai pendatang baru lintas Sumatera, Padang Jakarta, Jakarta Padang atau Sumbar Jakarta, Jakarta Sumbar. Mendapat sambutan hangat dari masyarakat bosku, terbukti beberapa kali ini sejak land perdana Palala selalu full penumpang, baik dari Sumbar menuju Jakarta ataupun dari Jakarta menuju Sumbar. Kru Palala menaikkan barang bawaan penumpang ke dalam bagasi bus. Jadi pada penumpang lah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Dari Mas tadi dah.
Dari Teguh.
Teguh.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best.
Palala E04 dengan julukan Senopati menuju Jakarta dan sekitarnya.